This is an easy slaw to make. Slap some between the veggie mix and your flour tortilla to fill it out and give it some texture. Use green cabbage for a crunchier slaw. I used Napa cabbage in this recipe and I find it a little bit too soft. Green cabbage is cheaper as well and will last for quite a while refrigerated. What's great about this slaw, you ask? Easy to make and goes with just about anything. Not just tacos, but also your favorite pork chop and chicken recipe. The downside? It will not be great the next day. So gobble it up and destroy it today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.